Today we're looking at Catty's lightweight stove. What we're going to do is we're going to mix it up with the Polymath Products stand because their stove's a little bit bigger. I'm not going to compare it to that, that'd be of a bit of a mismatch, but we're going to see how much we can get this water to a boil, if we can, or just warm. So let's have a look now. So that's how the stove looks. So I'm just going to fill with alcohol, place it on there, and then see if we can pop this. It should work once there's water in it. But let's get a start on this now. So I never used a stove before. It's the first time. Okay, so that's about enough. Gonna take that, put that clear over here. Put this on the stand. And I'm gonna fill this with my emergency water. Not a lot, just enough. And let's see. Yeah, it'll sit on there now. And I have the lid as well. Oop, there it goes. So that's on there. Lid on top, and we'll just see what happens. Right, so we are at the 9-minute 35-second mark, give or take 15 seconds for that chat in the beginning. It's still going strong. I still see flames on the sides, and it does sound like it's boiled. Yeah, it has a rolling boil. So that worked pretty well. So good job on Des. Again, you can find them on Etsy. That's how they look. So yeah, good job. Ooh. And you can see that's still a good looking flame there. So that is my quick review of Catty micro stove. Does seem to work. Still a good flame on it after nearly 11 minutes now. So good job on that. You can find it on Etsy. I'll put a link in the description box below for it, and just try to help show support around. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.